Hi, hello everyone. This is me. My name is Hori Proshad Roy and I'm from Bangladesh at Rampur, Lalmonhat at Moghalite Union, and my village name is Kornopur. And in this term, I'm making this video. At the same time, I'm practicing English because my English level is not good. And after a long time, I'm making this video because I was so busy. So from now on, I will try to make video, or I will try to practice English in front of camera. So actually this is how I practice English, and I realize and I thought about that my English speaking level is day by day decreasing because of I thought about that I can't practice every day. So this is badness for me, or this is bad situation for me, because I was so busy. So that's why my English speaking level is not good, I think so. So that's why I thought about that. From now on, I will practice every day in front of camera or in front of everyone. So, and at the same time, I just share one things. These things is actually those who are learn English like me. So they should practice more and more. And at the certain amount of time, you can speak English, any kind of topics, any kind of situation you can handle easily. So this is the most way, and I strongly believe that practice is the most way to success. And I, to be honest, frankly speaking, practice is the one of key to success. Or you can, like, you can say something in English, it's not easy first time. So you say, for example, you learned English properly, you have to practice more and more. It's necessary in your side, and then at the time you can speak properly and you can communicate any kind of persons, any kind of country's citizens, it's easily. So if you communicate any kind of persons, you have to learn English properly like me. So this is the way, and I suggest you, not only you, I suggest them, those who are learned English properly, so they should practice English more and more, and certain amount of time they can speak English very easily or properly. So this is the most way to practice English. And by the way, this is how I practice English in my side. So I suggest you, if you learned English, you have to practice more and more. So no more today. See you again my new another video. So till then, take care. By the way, those who are watching this video in this time, I just request to you, so that in future I will speak in English easily and properly. So thank you all, and all the best. Bye bye.